Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Study YouTube channel. In this video, we learn and execute a Java program which implement stack using arrays. Program also performs push, pop and display operations on stack. Before explaining the program in detail, we will see the flow of program in pseudocode representation. Program always start with import statements. Here we are importing scanner. Then class definition. Here stack is the class name. Data members of stack are variable max, integer array s, and variable top. Member functions are push, pop, and display. Here in push function, check if stack is full before inserting the element to the stack. If stack is full, it prints the message. Else, element is inserted into top of the stack. Next, pop function. Check whether stack is empty. If so, it prints the message. Else it will pop an element from top of the stack and return. Next, the display function. Display stack elements from top to 0 if stack is not empty. Finally, main function contains statement to read the choice for push, pop and display. Here we are using gedit command to open an editor for typing. First, import all the packages needed. In this program, we are importing only one package, scanner. Class name is stack. Then data members of stack are integer variable max, which specifies maximum size of stack. Integer array s, which stores stack elements. And integer variable top, which points to the top of the stack. There are three member functions. We'll type one by one. First one is push. This function will push an element to top of the stack. So we check if top of the stack is greater than or equal to max minus 1, which specifies that stack is full. We'll print the message as stack overflow. Else, we'll increment the top, then store the element to the stack. Next is pop function. In this function, we'll check for stack underflow. That is, if top is equal to minus 1, stack is empty. We are printing it as stack underflow. Else, we pop an element from the stack and decrement the top by 1 and return the popped element. Next, display function. In this function, we'll check if top is equal to minus 1. If so, we'll print a message as stack is empty. Else, in a for loop from top to minus 1 index, we'll print elements of the stack. That is, we are printing all the elements of the stack. Finally, in main function, now we'll perform push, pop and display operations repeatedly. Hence, declare a variable repeat and initialize it to 1, which is used in while loop. Declare a object SDK of class stack. Now, within a while loop, we use switch statements for performing push, pop or display operations. That is, we are giving a message for an user that it's the program to perform stack operations, and to read the value from the user we are using scanner. In the while loop, we are printing the message as to enter 1 for push, 2 for pop and 3 for display, and the last one for coming out of the program, that is exit. And we are telling the user to enter the choice. And to read the choice, in the switch statements, if the choice is 1, we are entering like enter the element to be pushed. It will read an element and pass it to the push function. That is SDK dot push element function, and we are breaking the case. If the choice is 2, it will call a pop function and print the popped value. That is, we are initializing a popped element, that is pop element is equal to SDK dot pop function. Then to print the popped element, we are using println. If the choice is 3, it will call display function. We are printing elements in the stack are, and we are calling display function. And finally, if the choice is 4, the loop will be ended. that is repeat is equal to 0. And for default case, we are printing a message as invalid input. Now we'll save the file and close the editor. Now use Java C stack.java to compile the program. Next, use Java stack to run the program. It will ask to enter the choice 1 for push, 2 for pop, and 3 for display. We are entering 3. It will display the message as stack is empty. We are entering 1. We are pushing the T. And again 1. We are pushing 20. 1 and we are pushing 10. So now we'll display by entering 3. It will display 10, 20, 30. 10 is at the top of the stack. Now we'll pop 2 elements by entering 2. The popped element is 10 and again 2. The popped element is 20. Now we'll display. There will be only one element, that is 30. So we will come out of the program by entering 4. In next video we'll see about next program. Thank you for watching the video. Any questions? Please comment. See you all on our social media accounts. Thank you and support us by subscribing.